Number 3. Do you like my poster?
Und zwar 5282 verschiedene Songs von 1106. So bin ich angezeigt. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay. In this video, I would just like to talk to you guys about the pros and cons of not having dreadlocks. So, yeah. First of all, it's only been a month. So
I had the best Airbnb hosts ever. Elisabeth and Alexander did everything to make it comfortable for me. I had a very comfortable bed, free Wi-Fi, water in my room, and we had a nice evening. We talked a lot about the German and Swedish culture and had a little dinner. The next day Alexander drove me to the so-called Universum, where we got our keys for our accommodations. Then I will meet Leonie again. When I entered my new home for the next 6 months, I felt so alone. There were several things that made me feel very uncomfortable. The first was that I couldn't get into my corridor because no one told me that the little plastic thing at my key was actually a sensor to get in. And so I had to wait until someone came up the stairs and helped me. And when I first saw my room, I was a bit disappointed. It felt like a room in an asylum. The colors are very grayish, cold, and the furniture is just very unpersonal. The first thing I did was plugging in my LAN cable and putting on the Ear Biscuit podcast by Red and Link to have at least something familiar. Then I put on my bed sheets and unpacked my suitcase. So now that I'm here for about 3 weeks, I really like this room. I moved around the furniture and personalized it with some items from IKEA, and now it feels a little bit like home. But I still have this feeling of leaving soon, if you know what I mean. Because I know and I'm aware of that this is only for 6 months. Later on the arrival day, I met Leonie again and we went grocery shopping together, because in Sweden you can do that on Sundays. And I paid solid 25 euros for this. Yeah. My first week at university was quite packed. My courses started on Monday morning, and during the week we had several welcome and orientation events, including the buddy program. The buddy program is a program where the international students are split up in 14 groups, and these groups have some Swedish buddies who will organize events during the whole semester.
Walking in the snow is very loud.
I drank my first Swedish beer and went on a hunt for Polarlights, ending an adventurous week with a bonfire at the lake.